YouTube, man. What's good? Bro, I know it's been a while since y'all seen me, but that's okay. I'll give a life update soon. But I got a very special video for y'all, man. I went to my first, excuse me, I went to my first AK range day with these people called Gorillas in the Mist out of Atlanta. It was super cool. First time shooting in a super outdoor setting. Last time I did it, I was just underneath a canopy, but this time it was like in the woods, and it was really, what's the word? I don't know. It was just really cool. That's all I can say about that. So I'm gonna just jump straight into it and let me know what y'all think. All right, this is the calm before the storm. We're waiting for everybody to get situated, get geared up, have a little safety briefing, and then we're gonna get started with the day. Should be fun. My first time doing something like this. My fiance is here too. So.
Yes.
So take a shot here. The only transport I would do would be to get him to the pavement because you can't get an ambulance now. I mean, you're talking like a 350 dually that's already wide.
You know, we had to get a little lunch break after the medical station, so now gotta get a little eats in for sure before we go over there to do the drill training bay.
No, this one is not. It's 1791. Yeah, it's like the new, like aluminum, like type of stuff.
One shot. Stand by. Stand by.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Ready?
Yep.
Bye.
So on the way back, it started raining, so I had to make sure my lady was okay and comfortable. Got her back in the car situated. For me, I'm going back out because I want to test and see how my gear goes in the rain, because on indoor ranges, I can't test all that. So we'll see how it holds up, see if my glasses are okay, see if my optic doesn't get too glary, and just see what's going on from there. So should be cool. Should be cool. Okay, so this concludes our first extended range day outdoors. You look good. You look good. It's okay. I want to see how was it from a bystander
It
perspective.
was really exciting. This is my first time
Yeah, more people, more equipment, other people showing their AKs, and being able to move and shoot, and then shooting a super far distance. Because when we did it underneath a canopy, and we couldn't really move like that. But
Yeah.
here is more free
Yeah, that
shooting.
is true. It's more free shooting for sure.
Overall, 10 out of 10 experience. GITM, they put together a nice range day. It's kind of making me hot. I'll definitely come back to shoot here recreationally with me and my fiance, and should be fun. So stay tuned for that.